If we talk about the adenoviruses that cause specific infections of the eye, then you'll be surprised to know that half of the adenovirus serotypes have been associated with ocular infections, but type 7, 3, 11, 19, and 37 are the most associated ones. Here is a quick reminder. In humans, currently there are 88 human adenoviruses in 7 species from A to G. When adenovirus takes effect, purulent conjunctivitis occurs with enlargement of the ipsilateral periauricular lymph nodes. Corneal involvement leads to the punctate keratitis and subepithelial inflammatory infiltration. Anterior uveitis, which is the infection of the uveal tract, and the conjunctival hemorrhages, which are basically the bleeding that occurs subconjunctivally. Ocular examination will show the palpable preauricular lymphadenopathies, which means you'll feel a clear swelling of preauricular lymph nodes upon feeling them. Anterior segment examination would reveal the evident crusting on lashes and the watery discharge. Treatment is usually symptomatic, with antibacterial agents being used if there is evidence of secondary bacterial infections. Topical steroids should be avoided. And new drugs are in the early phase of the trials that are hopeful to prove more beneficial in such cases.